Thoughts on tonight? Do you want to watch a movie? Do you want to study? Take a shower? That sounded so wrong. I'm an individual. I don't want individual bathrooms. The thoughts? Movie? Your pick? Your pick on the movie? You gonna be a whore on the word again? Shelby, you picked the movie. I totally picked the last one. You know I did. I picked the last movie. Yeah. I have a bunch of blankets. It's 68 degrees in here. And it's freezing balls outside. 28 degrees. Lots of snow. Hi. You happy to see me? I think you are. You keep getting closer. I don't think you can get much closer than that. Shelby. Shelby Jose. Pick the movie. I totally picked the last two movies we watched. Oh, I totally picked them. Really? I disagree. Too bad you didn't record that conversation. Shelby Jose. I don't want to hand it that close to my face. Make me come after you. I will bite. Oh yeah. So do you want to start watching Catching Fire? Do you want to watch another movie first? I take hand gestures as well. Any kind of response. Not that hand gesture. I don't like to be flipped off.